Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Dr. Nisha Bhatnagar from Avia Fertility and IVF Center. Today we are going to talk about surrogacy. Surrogacy is a very important topic as far as reproductive medicine is considered, and surrogacy comes under the purview of third party reproduction. Third party reproduction means that husband wife के अलावा किसी और एक इंसान की ज़रूरत है. So basically what mean for a pregnancy to happen by the means of IVF, we need three most important things. We need egg, we need sperm, and we need uterus. So if there is a problem with egg or sperm, you can go for a donor egg or a donor sperm. But what if the problem lies in the uterus? If the problem is in the uterus, if the lady is not able to carry the pregnancy, then the solution is surrogacy. So let's see what is the definition of a surrogate. Surrogate is a lady who's going to carry the baby for 9 months, and at the end of those 9 months, after the delivery, she is going to hand over the baby to the commissioning parents. Surrogate, there are certain criteria for selecting a surrogate. Surrogate has to be less than 35 years of age. Surrogate has to be fit mentally and physically. Surrogate has to follow certain rules. Surrogate has to have children of her own, and she has to have all her investigations, all her parameters are within normal limits. Now, who can go for surrogacy? Surrogacy is usually indicated in one of the following conditions. Suppose the lady is medically unfit. She has some certain, the commissioning mother, the mother is medically unfit. She has some conditions with the heart or kidney or the liver, or she is having hypertension or diabetes mellitus, which makes her unfit for carrying the pregnancy. She can take the help of a surrogate in these cases. Second thing is that if for some reason the uterus is incompetent means that it is not able to, the uterus is not able to hold the pregnancy for a period of 9 months. Within, there is a tendency for the cervix to open early in the pregnancy. The female has lost earlier repeated pregnancy losses are there, or repeated abortions are there, or there is, because of incompetent or some threatened or preterm labors are there, then the lady can opt for surrogacy. Now the third most important condition is multiple fibroids. Most especially those ladies with the fibroids impinging in the uterine cavity, which is making the uterine cavity or the uterus unfit for carrying the pregnancy. Now the another most common indication is there is adhesions inside the uterus. Suppose the lady has undergone a DNC or a medical termination of pregnancy earlier, and now there are adhesions inside the uterus which makes the uterus not capable of carrying and implanting. There is also there is a condition in which the uterus, the lining of the uterus, the endometrium is very, very thin. We know that a good endometrium lining of more than 7 millimeter is needed for to carry a pregnancy till 9 months and to deliver a live healthy baby. There are ladies where the pregnancy, the endometrial thickness is very thin, like 3 millimeter. She has primary amenorrhea, the uterus is not there, uterus is absent. In these cases, the lady has to take the help of a surrogate to carry and have a baby of her own. Last but not the least is the single parent, where the partner is not there to have a pregnancy. In all these cases, they can take the help of a surrogate to have a live baby. Now the most important condition, the most important questions people ask us is that how does surrogate affect the baby? Okay, so क्या उसका height, क्या बच्चे का height, क्या बच्चे का color, क्या बच्चे का वो surrogate पे जाएगा? So the answer is no. The surrogate is not going to affect the height or the color of the eyes or the ears or the genetic structure of the baby. The surrogate only imparts the epigenetics. That means the development of the baby. For example, if the genetic structure belongs to the mother, either the commissioning mother, or if in case the donor is used, to the donor. However, the surrogate gives the perfect environment for growth. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो न्यूट्रिशन कैसा खा रही है, वो कितना पीसफुल है, वो उसका क्या म्यूजिक सुन रही है, क्या वो चीज़ें बच्चे की ग्रोथ को इफेक्ट करेंगी, बट नॉट द जेनेटिक्स ऑफ द बेबी. ऑल्सो पीपल आस्क अस क्या बच्चा surrogate पे जाएगा. No, the surrogate is not going to affect the baby phenotypically or morphologically. It will only affect the development. हाँ, अगर उसको proper nutrition दिया जाए, उसको diet पूरा दिया जाए, उसके खाने पीने का ख्याल रखा जाए, उसको medicines दी जाए और अच्छे से growth हो, तो उसके साथ साथ उसकी growth जो है बिल्कुल normal होती है. Now, there is another important question. Mostly people are asking us that कि how do we ensure कि वो surrogate का baby जो हमने surrogate में transfer किया है वो embryo commissioning parents का है, वो surrogate का अपना खुद का नहीं है. So here I would like to tell you that there is a process of selection of surrogate. What happens is that first of all, the most important criteria is the uterine lining. When we see a potential surrogate, the first thing we do is we do a scan. We check the lining of the uterus. If the lining is very good, if the endometrium is triple line, beautiful, if the good blood flow is there, good vascularity is there, she is enrolled as a surrogate. Now the second step is getting the investigation done. We do all the investigations. We do her thyroid, prolactin, her CBC, blood count, her hemoglobin. We do her liver function test, kidney function test. We do a cervical smear. We do a pap smear. We do urine routine. All these tests to ensure that she is physically fit. She is not affecting from any. She is not having any disease, or she is not having any problems. Once all this is done, if there is a little bit of anemia, we give her medicines to build up her hemoglobin. If she has some hypothyroidism, we give her Thyronorm and all that. So build up her perfectly for carrying the pregnancy. Once this is done, the third step is that we give her some medicine or injection to suppress her for one cycle. Sorry. By suppressing, I mean that during this 1 month period, she will not have any egg of her own. She will not have the normal reproductive cycle. She will not have formation of the egg, and she will not have the ovulation. So by this way, we ensure that the embryo which we are transferring is the only one which is getting implanted. It's not her egg or not her husband's sperm which is resulting in a pregnancy. And of course, we can do a genetic test later on to find out that the baby belongs to the commissioning parents only. Now the process is simple. Once the surrogate is selected, with the help of some pills, we prepare the lining, we do her basic test. Then after 14-15 days of Proguanova and 5 days of progesterone, the embryo transfer is done. 15 days after embryo transfer, we come to know that whether the result is positive or negative. 2 weeks from the result, we come to know the cardiac activity, and after that, the normal checkup, every monthly checkup is done. All the tests to rule out genetic problems, abnormalities in the baby, everything is done as scheduled. At the end of 9 months, the surrogate gets admitted in the hospital. It is also a myth that the surrogates will always be delivered by cesarean section. Even normal delivery can happen if it is a single pregnancy. The only thing is that if it is a twin pregnancy, we like to give a cervical stitch so that there is less chances of threatened preterm labor. Now we take care of at Avea, we take care of the surrogate very well. We keep monitoring her general health. We keep calling her for routine checkups. And timely updates are given to the parents. So I believe surrogacy is a very good thing for the surrogate mother as well as the intending parents, because both the parties stand to gain from this. Both the commissioning parent as well as the surrogate get benefit from this. Now if you have any questions, if you want to understand anything about the process, or if you want to know more about surrogacy, we are always available at Avea. You can send us a question, or you can post your queries here, and we will be happy to answer them. Thank you so much.